My directory website traffic doubled in July. So let's see how that happened. So first things first, to show you guys I'm not lying, this is from June 1st to June 30th, 2025. And this is July 1st to July 31st. Well, technically to July 30th because I am recording this on July 31st. So then the next question is, where did this traffic come from? Okay, so let's scroll down to see this area here, which is showing our traffic acquisition. And we've got 1,000 from organic social. So this is stuff from sharing my content in Facebook groups or on my Facebook page, or just sharing with people that are asking questions on the Facebook groups that my blog posts answer. It's just basically almost all Facebook. Then we have some direct traffic, and then we have some paid social traffic. So that is the meta ads I take out to get people to sign up to my lead magnet and then get on my email list. So let's take a little detour and show you guys how those ads are doing. Now, my price per lead is a little bit higher than I was. I think it was down to like 63 cents at some point, but 73 cents is really, really great still. Anything under $1 is really, really great. So I'm still very happy with this. Here is my most recent email list campaign I sent out, and the open rate has been pretty regularly at around 40%, which is also really great. So all is going well there. My list is just only at 780 people so far. So the list is still growing. I can't really monetize it yet, but it's on its way, and it will be monetizable in a very fun way eventually. So back to analytics, we also have 525 from organic search. And if you guys have been following me along for a while, you know that SEO was a big issue for me for a while. I was having trouble getting ranked high on SEO, and I was trying to figure out why that was happening. And I must have just, with my domain age going up, with me getting more quality content on the site, it's kind of just been happening naturally. So we can see here we got an increase by 47.9%. I'm very happy with that. I'd like it to continue to go higher. So I want to start working on some backlink building very soon. I actually have a sponsored video planned from SEMrush, which is great. Whenever I get sponsored SEMrush videos for you guys, I get a longer free trial link. So with an extended free trial for you guys to try it out. So if you haven't tried out SEMrush yet and you want to do some backlink buildings for your directory website, make sure you subscribe so you can check out that video. I feel like at this point, it's really important for me to get some backlinks going. Now, again, if you're following me from the earlier videos, I was talking about how I wanted to get approved for AdSense because I thought that if I fixed my website to get approved for AdSense, then maybe my SEO rankings would go higher. But you know what, guys? I'm changing my mind there because it's a lot of work. And to be honest, I kind of just want to wait until I have the traffic to get approved for Mediavine, because I heard that one pays out just so much better than AdSense. So instead of taking my time and energy to get approved for the ad network that I don't really want to get approved for, I'm just going to hold that, and then once we hit whatever the threshold is for Mediavine. Okay, I just Googled it. Mediavine's Journey program needs 10,000 monthly sessions. So we're like halfway there. So I'm just going to wait for that and instead put my energy on growing the traffic, and the backlinks are going to help with that. But I can see that my performance on Search Console is going up very well. This was the June data, and this is July data. So I'm very, very happy. I think that's like a 3-time increase at least in clicks. So I'm thrilled with that. And I'm confident that we're going to be able to keep that going. So I was talking to you guys about how last month I decided to try to use TikTok to grow my website and my following and all of that. And the plan was with my friend to post every single day for a year. So it's been 2 months so far, 2 months so far, And I've been posting every single day, and the growth has been kind of crazy, guys. So if you look at my video for last month, I had 819 followers, and today I just hit 2,000. Actually, let me refresh this page. Okay, so today I just hit 2,000 and now I have 2,024. So, a couple things here. First of all, a lot of my direct traffic might be coming from this. So, since I don't have a business account, I don't have a link in my bio, but I do have my link written out there. And I also bring up the website in comments all the time. Like, for example, I just told you guys about the Dine Out Lauderdale blog post. I made a TikTok to be like a companion to that blog post, and people were asking where they could see the menus, so I sent them to my blog. So in general, TikTok has been really like insane for me for the last 2 months. I've got a ton of growth from it in really, really fun ways. We are at the point where I have people specifically asking me to come into their businesses and to do TikTok, and they're giving me free food, and it's really, really fun and really, really exciting. We are getting to the point where I'm almost too busy. Like I said, I didn't have time to continue working on, getting the site good enough for AdSense. So I'm even having to say no to a lot of things. So I'm going to have to eventually start figuring out how to charge for this. And I'm thinking about doing bundles so it's like they get like a featured blog post on the website and a mention in the email list, and then also a TikTok or two TikToks, or I'm not quite sure yet, guys. So that's something I have to do also. Like I have to make like a media kit. But it's been I'm so happy I decided to do this. It's been incredible growth. And I would definitely recommend promoting your directory website on some sort of social media, whichever one that you like the best. I'm using TikTok because I'm the most comfortable with it, but I definitely recommend it. I've even, believe it or not, I've actually gotten a website client for my website business through this TikTok. And I do have people asking me to make them content for TikTok as well, which is definitely something I'm open to doing. But I'm going to have to bring on a team member to help me with that because I'm only one person. And we're at that point, like any of you guys that have businesses, I'm sure that you've reached this point before where you have so much work that you need help, but the money hasn't quite caught up yet for you to be able to afford that help. So that is where I am right now, but I'm super confident that I'm going to get there. Everything is going to keep going up and improving more, and I'm excited for it to happen. And if you guys want to watch it happen with me, make sure to subscribe to me and come back and check out next month to see how August went for me. Thank you guys so much for watching.